This is Connecting Math Concepts, Lesson 57. You're going to tell me the symbols to write for a word problem that pluses. So you will say plus in this problem. There were 6 pigs on a farm. Then 5 more pigs came to the farm. How many pigs ended up on the farm? Listen again. There were 6 pigs on a farm. Then 5 more pigs came to the farm. What symbols? Yes, 6 plus 5 equals. Now touch the tree on your worksheet. You're going to write a problem that pluses. Touch the space for the problem and listen. A farmer had 1 hat. Then he got 4 more hats. How many hats does the farmer have in all? Listen again. A farmer had 1 hat. Then he got 4 more hats. Write the symbols you will need. What symbols did you write? Yes, 1 plus 4 equals. Now you are going to make the lines, count both groups together, and write the answer next to the equals. I will give you some time before we check it. Let's check your work. Read me your equation. Yes, 1 plus 4 equals 5. So how many hats does the farmer have in all? Yes, 5. Now touch the coat on your worksheet. You're going to write 2 part numbers. Some of the numbers you will write are in the 20s. So what is the first part of 20s numbers? Yes, a 2. And some of the numbers you'll write are 30s numbers. What is the first part of a 30s number? Yes, 3. Touch the space for the first number. You will write 39 in that space. What number? Yes, 39. What is the first part of 39? Yes, 3. What is the other part of 39? Yes, 9. Write 39. Touch the space for the next number. You will write 21 in that space. What number? Yes, 21. What is the first part of 21? Yes, 2. What is the next part of 21? Yes, 1. Write 21. Now touch the space for the last number. You will write 34 in that space. What number? Yes, 34. What's the first part of 34? Yes, 3. What is the next part of 34? Yes, 4. Write 34. Here are some +1 equations. Just listen, you are not writing anything yet. Here is a +1 equation that starts with 24. 24 plus 1 equals 25. Your turn. Say the +1 equation that starts with 24. Get ready. Yes, 24 plus 1 equals 25. Now say the +1 equation that starts with 12. Get ready. Yes, 12 plus 1 equals 13. Now say the +1 equation that starts with 15. Yes, 15 plus 1 equals 16. Now say the +1 equation that starts with 11. Get ready. Yes, 11 plus 1 equals 12. Now say the +1 equation that starts with 13. Get ready. Yes, 13 plus 1 equals 14. Now touch the problem 11 plus 1 on your worksheet. I will read all the problems. You will touch the symbols and tell me the answers. Then you will write the answers. First problem, 11 plus 1. What does 11 plus 1 equal? Yes, 12. Write 12. Next problem, 15 plus 1. What does 15 plus 1 equal? Yes, 16. Write 16 on the line. Next problem, 12 plus 1. What does 12 plus 1 equal? Yes, 13. Write 13. Next problem, 13 plus 1. What does 13 plus 1 equal? Yes, 14. Write 14. Now let's check your work. Touch and read the first equation. Get ready. Yes, 11 plus 1 equals 12. Touch and read the next equation. Get ready. Yes, 15 plus 1 equals 16. Touch and read the next equation. Get ready. Yes, 12 plus 1 equals 13. Touch and read the next equation. Get ready. Yes, 13 plus 1 equals 14. Now touch the dog on your worksheet. I will say a word problem that takes away. You will write the symbols and then work the problem. You will make a takeaway in this problem. Listen, a cat had 7 fleas on his back. Then 2 of those fleas jumped off his back. How many fleas are still on the cat? Listen again. A cat had 7 fleas on his back. Then 2 of those fleas jumped off his back. What symbols will you write for this problem? Yes, 7 take away 2 equals. Write that on the line next to the dog. Now you're going to work the problem and figure out how many fleas are still on the cat. Listen, the problem says 7 take away 2 equals. So it tells us to take away. So will you make lines for the number you start with? Yes. So do you start with 7 or 2? Yes, 7. Work the problem. Make 7 lines, take away 2 lines, and count the number of lines you end up with, then write it to make the sides equal. I will give you some time before we check your work. Now touch and read the whole equation. Get ready. Yes, 7 take away 2 equals 5. So how many fleas are still on the cat? Yes, 5. You are going to do the rest of the worksheet by yourself. Listen to the directions first. Touch the chair on your worksheet. The number next to the chair has 2 parts. What number is it? Yes, 16. The first number in the next row has 2 parts. It's a 20s number. What number is it? Yes, 24. What is the first symbol in the next row? Yes, a 5. What symbol is next to the 5? Yes, a 7. And what symbol is next to the 7? Yes, a 2. The first numbers are completely shown, but the rest of them are only partly shown. Later, you will complete the rows of symbols. Now turn the worksheet to page 2 and touch the cat. The problems next to the cat are takeaway problems. Later, you will write the numbers in the box, take away lines, and complete the equations. Now touch the problem 11 plus 3. The problems in that part are plus problems. Later, you will make lines and complete the equations. Now touch the deer. Later, for each problem next to the deer, you will write a number to make the sides equal. And touch the car. Later, you will complete each problem so it has a number with the right number of lines below it. Your turn to complete the worksheet. Make sure you finish everything on page 2 and then write all the symbols on page 1 before you turn it in. Good job!